How to use Waze offline. Did you know you can use Waze even when you don't have internet? Today I'll show you how to use. Open the Waze app and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Currently, Waze does not fully work offline like Google Map, but here's a workaround. Enter your destination and start a navigation while online. Waze will automatically catch the route. As long as you stick to the route, it will continue to give turn-by-turn direction even if you lose connection. To make it easier, save frequently visit place. Waze will store basic route information so you can still navigate without internet. And here's the pro tip. Keep GPS on and avoid rerouting offline. Waze needs online data to find new route, but your saved route works fine. So next time you are in a remote area or abroad, your preloaded Waze route has you covered. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Waze tips. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.